Hello, this is Reza from Quality Coffee Systems. There is an error on JURA machines which I'm going to teach you how to fix at home. You might see your flow is super slow, or you might have your brew unit not working well. And there is a possibility for the clogging inside the brew unit, which it's completely solvable and fixable inside the house. So let's go through it and fix it together. You might need your coffee rich and strong. So you would go fine and fine and fine on your grinder, which causes clogging inside your brew unit. But no problem, there is a way for fixing it at home. When you take your drip tray out and put your hand inside the machine, there is a flap which you can hear like this. And after that, there is a metal disc which you can see there is a coffee inside the container. So just take a napkin or even with your hand, clean that area. Make sure there is no grounded coffee inside that container with the metal disc. I will show it individually on the brew unit. So we are not gonna take the brew unit out, but just for showing you, this is a flap I just mentioned. So this is the flap. And after that, if you take your hand inside, you will see a metal disc. And this area should be all clean and ready for brewing. So I would recommend maybe once a week, clean this area with the hand or maybe a tissue, and make sure you are brewing the best coffee out of the machine. So make sure you are not going too fine on the machine, or if you are using pre-grounded beans, please don't grind it too fine. But if you couldn't fix your machine at home, just leave it to us. We will fix the machine for you. We are located on 1122 Boundary Road, Burnaby, BC. Thank you.